Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wsdg and I am one of the members of the group Ethereals. I will start by introducing our team members. Nurni Sabatusha binti Saiful Fahmi, Bibi Mardiana binti Rosali, Danish Waitia bin Jahadi, and advisor Teacher Ethan. Gardening indoors have been a trend for many years, and yet people still have not come to a solution on how to fix the problems that come with gardening. Gardening indoors, especially in urban areas, have been a trend for a while. This indoor gardening requires commitment in terms of watering time and care. People who are busy with work face this problem when going for outstation. Therefore, our team, the Ethereals, have thought this through and through and clear to create this product. In order for people who face this problem and live in urban areas has a chance to try indoor gardening, this project is named Smart Community Gardening Kit. Users can water and fertilize these plants remotely, which is very convenient for these people. Innovation, an automatic watering, automatic fertilizing, and automatic light sensor system for plants can be directly related to several United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, the SDGs. Here's how it aligns with and contributes to multiple SDGs. So, I'll start with the first, our main SDG, which is SDG 11. So, the first SDG, our main SDG, which is SDG Sustainable Cities and Communities. By making plant care more efficient and accessible with our products, our system can contribute to the growth of urban gardens and green spaces in cities. Urban gardening is a key strategy for reducing the carbon footprint of food production, enhancing food security, and creating sustainable communities. So, SDG number 2. SDG 2, which is Zero Hunger. Our innovation can be applied in both home gardens and large-scale farming, improving food production by ensuring optimal plant health. The automated system ensures that plants receive the right amount of water, nutrients, and light, leading to a higher crop yields and more efficient gardening. This can help in regions facing food insecurity by enabling sustainable urban agriculture and vertical farming. The next SDGs that this project contributes to is SDG 7, which is affordable and clean energy. Our innovation can incorporate energy-efficient sensors and systems, possibly powered by renewable energy sources like solar panels. Lastly, I'd like to talk about SDG 13, which is climate action, the biggest problem facing the world today. So, by promoting efficient resources use, our innovation helps reduce the carbon footprint of agriculture. Reducing water, fertilizer, and energy waste means fewer emissions associated with the production and transport of these resources.
Indoor gardening has become more popular among various communities in the world. But gardening requires commitment in terms of watering and fertilizing, time and care. For the plants to grow healthy, people need to ensure to water the right amount of water content and fertilization according to specific type of plants. Plants also have certain time during the day that needs these requirements. People find this a problem because people that live in urban areas are mostly workaholic and do not have time to take care for the plants.
This is Smart Community Gardening Kit and how it operates.
Now, you must wonder how this kit works. We will talk about the operating procedure. Firstly, launch the Smart Life apps, then register and log in. After that, press and hold the button about 7 seconds until the Wi-Fi green LED blink fast. Fourth, connect phone with Wi-Fi and turn on Bluetooth for setup purpose. Then add device by press the plus button and our device is ready. For your information, more devices can be added in the same apps. As you all know, our kit can scheduling, watering and fertilizing system. So this is how you operate it. First, select the smart breaker. Then step 2, press off button to turn on the system. Press the same button to off the system. Step 3, press timer button at the bottom to schedule the watering. Step 4, select schedule and select add schedule. Then step 5, select day and time, then press save to save our schedule.
So, what is the advantages of our product and why it is so important? First, it is time efficient. It is because people don't need to spend time too much for watering and fertilizing their plants. Second, it gives the benefits of getting fresh food. Fresh food is guaranteed for human health. Moreover, growing your own plants costs less and lead to less wasteful purchases. Efficient absorption of carbon dioxide and cultivated plants are able to release a lot of oxygen.
An improvement we are working is on we are making it more accessible to rural area in correlation to SF of Wi-Fi. All in all, this product innovation is believed to make huge improvement in agriculture sector as it is easier for gardener. Thus, this innovation can bring Malaysian agriculture in line with current modernization with the presence of automatic plant watering.